Buenos tardes, amigos. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. First up, Appies with Chappie by the lake. Check it out. Oh, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. Today I have Lobster Rangoon. See here how I made it. All right, I'm gonna make my Lobster Rangoon for Appies with Chappie by the lake. So I cut up some scallions here. And then I got some Philadelphia cream cheese. And then we'll add a little Parmesan, give it a little bit of saltiness. And then I got a can of cooked lobster. It says, what does it say? It says careful. It says wild caught in traps in the Northwest Atlantic. And it's frozen and cooked, but it came in a can. There it is. It doesn't look very appetizing. All right, I'll give that a mix up. I think I'll get some salt and pepper too. All right, I'm gonna salt and pepper it. I actually got some Hawaiian sea salt, pink Hawaiian sea salt. And then I'm gonna add a little kick. Actually, instead of black pepper, I have Cameroon pepper. It's like an African extra spicy pepper. All right. Now, I got some wonton wrappers. It's important to get square wonton wrappers, just the way we're gonna fold it. All right, and then I'm gonna wet the edges. Actually, John over at Food Wishes wets the whole wonton wrapper, so that's what we'll do. All right, and then we'll put a little bit of filling in there, not too much. All right, this is how we're gonna do it. We gotta fold over, but don't attach it. And then fold all four corners together and press and press and press. And that's how you do it. I'm gonna do another 5 or 6 of these, and then we're gonna deep fry these babies. Mookie, come here. Mookie. Mookie, can I help you? Can I help you? Huh? Hey. Come here. Look. All right, so I got some canola. I got some canola oil in my Dutch oven. It's not dirty, it's just well seasoned. And we're gonna get these in there. The canola oil is between 350 and 375. they went right to the bottom, but they're starting to float. So that was a bit concerning when they dropped to the bottom there. So yeah, they're gonna float on top, and we're gonna have some nice crisp Lobster Rangoon. And to go with our Lobster Rangoon, I'm going to make a Blackberry Vodka Lemonade Fizz. So I got a glass, I got some nice ice cubes that I froze various fruits in. And we're gonna go 2 ounces of vodka. I actually infused the vodka with blackberries. So 2 ounces of that. We'll go 2 ounces of lemonade. Most vodka fizzes have Prosecco. I'm just gonna substitute blackberry ginger ale. And that's a Blackberry Vodka Lemonade Fizz to go with my Lobster Rangoon. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.